Hey fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting journey ahead as we delve into the world of travel hacks. You've seen them all over social media, those trendy tricks promising to make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. But do they really live up to the hype? Well, join us as we put these popular travel hacks to the test, uncover some hidden gems, and share some honest insights along the way. Let's dive into Hack 1, the leg hammock test. This trendy idea has been making waves on social media, suggesting that you can create a comfortable leg hammock using a belt, scarf, or blanket under your folding table during a flight. Well, can suspending your legs really transform your flight experience? We decided to put it to the test. And here's what we found. It's a nifty concept, particularly cozy for smaller folks, like those with a petite size or kids. But it might not be a game changer for everyone. And on smaller planes with limited legroom, it can be less effective. In the end, it's worth trying to see if it suits your comfort preferences. But keep in mind that experiences can vary, so if you're a tall traveler, this hack might not be your best bet. Now let's move on to Hack 2, inflatable mattresses. This one caught our attention. Can inflatable mattresses, especially designed for kids, truly make your journey more peaceful? Let's find out. We were intrigued, so we took it on a test flight. The good news is that air mattresses with built-in pumps are generally permitted in carry-on bags. But, and this is crucial, do check with your airline for any size or weight restrictions that might apply. In our quest, we hunted for the perfect air mattress, one that's compact and lightweight enough for carry-ons. After some thorough research, we stumbled upon a fantastic option that ticked all the boxes. We've included the links below for you to explore, whether it's for kids or adults. As a personal recommendation, especially for long flights, we can't speak highly enough of the inflatable travel footrest pillow. It's versatile and can provide a flat bed-like surface for travelers of all ages. Keep in mind that while the inflatable mattress hack can enhance your family travel experience, consider the practicality and convenience for your unique travel plans and preferences. Now let's talk about a topic close to many hearts. Hack 3, should you skip coffee before a flight? Does your morning cup of joe impact your in-flight experience? We've all heard about caffeine causing dehydration, which can be compounded by the dry cabin air in planes. But Suru, should you swear off coffee entirely? Well, it depends. Going cold turkey might feel like missing out on a comforting ritual for coffee lovers. The trick here is moderation and balance. Pair your coffee with water to stay hydrated during the flight. And for the caffeine conscious, herbal teas are a soothing alternative. Remember, the coffee debate is highly personal. It varies from person to person, depending on your caffeine tolerance and the length of your flight. For me, a small cup of coffee doesn't disrupt my comfort, but I make sure to stay hydrated throughout the journey. Moving on to our next viral travel hack, let's explore Hack 4, essential oils for nausea. Are the wonders of peppermint oil in combating travel nausea. You've seen it all over social media, but does it truly work for everyone? Let's dive into this aromatic travel hack. Peppermint oil, a natural remedy for queasiness, has a devoted following among travelers. The soothing aroma can indeed work wonders, but here's the catch. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Sensitivity to scents varies among individuals. While peppermint oil is generally safe, it's concentrated. So for some, skin sensitivity might be a concern. Diluting it with a carrier oil can help. And remember, as with any remedy, it doesn't work the same for everyone. So is peppermint oil a travel hack worth trying? Absolutely, especially if you're prone to travel-induced nausea. But be mindful of individual variations in scent sensitivity. It might be a game changer for some, while others might find relief through different methods. Now let's explore a fragrance hack that's been causing a buzz on social media. Can a scented tissue infuse your clothes and luggage with delightful fragrance? Here's the scoop. Using a scented tissue is incredibly easy. Just tuck it among your clothes or in your luggage. Initially, it imparts a pleasant scent, creating a delightful experience when you open your suitcase. However, there are some downsides. The fragrance tends to dissipate relatively quickly, so it might not last as long as you'd hope. Plus, some scented tissues contain chemicals that may not sit well with everyone, especially those with sensitivities or allergies. So, is this scented tissue hack worth it? Well, it can offer a fleeting moment of luxury, but if you're seeking a longer-lasting solution, exploring alternatives might be a better bet. All right, let's move on to the next exciting hack: jet lag and pre-flight exercise. This one claims to help you beat jet lag and have a more comfortable flight. If you have a hard time adjusting to different time zones and struggle to sleep after a flight, you might have heard that working out intensely shortly before departure, like hitting the gym or running a mini marathon, can help you fall asleep faster after the flight. It sounds promising, right? But here's the deal. The effectiveness of this strategy varies widely from person to person. Some might find it helpful, while others might not experience the same benefits. Plus, intense exercise might not be suitable for everyone. Let's consider an example. If you have a heart condition, engaging in vigorous exercise before a flight could be extremely risky. It may strain your heart, leading to serious health complications mid-flight. Timing is crucial too. Exercising too close to your flight might leave you too energized to rest during the flight. Now, for some professional suggestions to combat jet lag and improve your sleep after or during the flight, consider adjusting your sleep schedule gradually before your trip, staying hydrated and avoiding excessive caffeine or alcohol. These tips can be more universally helpful for a better travel experience. Pre-flight exercise can help some travelers combat sleep difficulties related to time zone changes, but it's not a guaranteed solution, and its effectiveness varies. Always consult with your healthcare provider before adopting a new exercise routine. Let's delve into 2 budget-friendly travel hacks that have been gaining popularity on social media: T-shirt suitcase protection and luggage waterproofing with wax. We'll see if they're as effective as they claim to be. First, T-shirt suitcase protection. This clever hack involves using a T-shirt as a protective layer for your luggage, with the suitcase's handle protruding through the collar and a convenient incision for the side handle. Our experience with this hack. At first glance, this hack seems like a brilliant, cost-effective way to safeguard your luggage against scuffs and scrapes. However, our real-world trial revealed some noteworthy limitations. The T-shirt tends to come loose during transit, leaving your luggage exposed to potential damage. In fact, on one occasion, the T-shirt slipped off entirely, leading to a bit of hassle. To address this issue, we had to customize and secure the T-shirt with bands, which proved time-consuming. Now onto luggage waterproofing with wax. Another viral hack suggests using candle wax to waterproof your suitcase. Our experience with luggage waterproofing with wax. Well, while this hack has its appeal, it's not without its downsides. Wax can provide a degree of water repellency, but its effectiveness depends on your suitcase's material. However, applying wax can leave an undesirable residue, potentially affecting your luggage's appearance and even causing stains on your clothing. As travelers, we believe in prioritizing luggage protection methods that are effective, secure, and airline-friendly to ensure your belongings stay safe and your journeys remain hassle-free. Well, we've shared our thoughts on this travel hack, but now we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried using a T-shirt as suitcase protection or wax to waterproof your luggage? What was your experience like? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. and let us know if you agree with our assessment. Prepare to uncover the lesser-known world of airline complimentary extras, from entertaining puzzles to refreshing wet wipes. Lastly, the claim is that airlines provide passengers with an array of freebies, including children's pencils, wet wipes, puzzles, toys, snacks, and juices. But the question remains, are these offerings genuinely delightful bonuses or simply clever marketing strategies? Let's take a closer look and provide you with our expert perspective. This is often true. For instance, some airlines like Emirates are known for their extensive selection of complimentary items in various classes. In premium classes, you might receive amenity kits filled with high-quality toiletries, socks, eye masks, and earplugs. On family-friendly flights, especially during long journeys, airlines may provide snacks, refreshments, and entertainment items like puzzles or coloring books, making it a pleasant surprise to see what goodies you receive. However, it's important to remember that the assortment of complimentary items can vary greatly between airlines and even among different routes of the same airline. To know exactly what you can expect during your flight, it's a good practice to check with your airline for the most up-to-date information on the freebies they offer. To wrap it up, these hacks have their merit, but they aren't one-size-fits-all solutions. Their effectiveness depends on individual preferences and situations. So, it's wise to explore alternatives and exercise caution when incorporating them into your travel routine. As we continue our journey, exploring more travel tips, we'll diligently sift through the useful and the questionable to bring you the most valuable insights. So, dear friends, that concludes our deep dive into some of the most talked about travel hacks making the rounds on social media. If you found this journey through the world of travel hacks enjoyable and informative, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. In our next video, we'll be delving into essential travel safety tips to ensure your journeys are not only convenient, but also safe and secure. Don't miss out on these crucial insights. Simply click the link in the description below to watch our Travel Safety Essentials video now. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to happy and safe travels.